Maths is an essential part of everyday life, a part of our world that we need. But what if we didn't have maths?
Hello and welcome to Formulas TV, where we add the information to subtract your confusion. Today we present you with breaking news concerning an unbelievable new discovery, a whole new world but lacking the understanding of mathematics. Researchers believe that because there is no education on maths, it has therefore caused the development of the world not to progress as we have. Specially selected mathematicians are being sent to investigate the newly found world as we speak. Now on to Angela with the daily forecast.
Thanks, Carlos. The weather for this week seems to be very warm and cloudy. Starting from Monday to Thursday, it will be 28 degrees with a bit of cloud. Switching up a bit on Friday with showers and a possible storm. Humidity throughout this week is going to be 30% and increasing to 50% on Friday. Wind speeds will be starting at 13 kilometers an hour and will become faster towards Friday at 24 kilometers an hour. Now on to our live broadcast of our mathematicians exploring that new world.
Here we are, live from the world with no maths. We've spotted some civilians.
Let's go interview them.
What is this math you speak of?
It's maths. Haven't you ever heard or seen of anything like it before?
No?
Well, we come from a world called Earth, and there's this concept called maths, which basically shapes the way in which we live. It influences everything.
The height of that tree.
Measurement, which is math.
Look at the sun, for instance.
That is also mathematical, as it is not only a 3D object, but you can calculate the surface area of the sphere by evaluating the radius through a formula called 4 pi r squared.
Ooh, I love pie. Very yummy. Me too. Ha!
No, not that kind of pi. In short, pi is a name for a number which is associated with circles, which relates to maths. As my assistant here stated, the formula used for this is 4 pi r squared. And r represents a radius. Then you square it, which means to multiply the number by itself.
As you can see, maths is everywhere.
I'm confused. How was that thing in the sky?
The rocket?
Was it floating?
It's technically not floating. It is in fact fighting gravity. In order to keep the rocket from plummeting down, it was flying sideways at an extremely fast rate, approximately 8 kilometers per second.
Wow, teach us more.
We'll make a home for the new guests.
Oh, thank you, but
No, we have to.
Josh, go get some sticks. No, they have to be the same.
I think what you're looking for is length.
length? Length is measurement for how long something is.
You would need a longer stick, like this one.
Oh, good. Put that here.
But how big will it be?
How big will the whole home be?
A stick long for either side, which realistically is about 1 meter.
Oh, okay. Meter. Put one here. 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 And here.
Will there be enough space inside?
I don't know. In order to determine how much space would be within the building, you would calculate this side, which is length, which is then multiplied by this side, which is width.
Multiplication is when you repeatedly add a number together. So if you have 1 meter from here to here, and you have 1 meter from here to here, then you times 1 by 1. So you have only have one 1. That means the area of this square is 1 meter squared.
Wow, I understand now. But how will we know along here?
The distance around this is called perimeter. You can calculate it by simply adding the length of the sides together. So you would add 1 plus another 1 and 1 plus another 1, which is 4. Therefore, the perimeter, or this, is equal to 4.
Okay, I understand now. Next time I make a house, I'll remember this.
Professor Joshua and Professor Lacey returned to Earth immediately with your findings.
It was great meeting you. Don't forget what we taught you. It will change everything for you.